Hello and welcome to another 2-Minute Tuesday. My name is Michelle Eldridge, a Senior Solution Architect at Elevate Solution. Today I wanted to show you a quick tip about getting tweets into Dynamics 365. The use case scenario that we had for needing to use this was we had a client who has a lot of customers that like to tweet when they have issues about their product. They wanted to be able to get them in Dynamics 365 and be able to turn those tweets into cases so they could quickly help those clients. We helped the client by utilizing Flow. As you see in front of me, we have Microsoft Flow. What we used was connecting to Twitter and then feeding it into Dynamics 365. The example that I'm going to show you is just a very simple scenario. It's taking a look at the tweets that are coming in. We have the ability to look at different hashtags, different words, basically searching for terms that might be relevant that I want to bring into Dynamics 365. Once it finds those specific terms, it can then perform an action. In this case, we are now going to create a new record in the system. Just so you know, you can do other things as well, like search the Twitter handler and see if they're a contact inside of Dynamics 365 and find them and then use that information to connect to the record that you're creating. So in the example here, we can see that we're connecting to our Dynamics 365 system, which entity we're connecting to as well. And then we basically can just go ahead and map what fields we want to bring into our entity. We created a custom activity entity called Twitter Activities. We feed in a subject. We can say who created this information, as well as when it was created, also creating a link to that Twitter feed as well. Once we've done this, we go ahead and save it, and the next thing you know, I can see all of my successful tweets that met the specific criteria. Now, if we come into Dynamics 365, I can come to my new custom entity for Twitter Activities, and I can see all of these tweets that have now fed into Dynamics 365. At this point, I can do whatever I need to do with them. I can review them and see which ones are validated to go into cases. At that point in time, I can then come in and add them to my queue for our customer service reps to go ahead and take a look at. And then we can go ahead and add them into the queue. The customer service reps then can do a little bit more detailed information and find out what needs to happen. Thank you for watching another 2-Minute Tuesday. We'll see you next week.